Random Docks is one of the most busiest places on the island of Sodor. Salty, the dockside diesel, loves to sing with the trucks. Yo ho ho, in a bucket of bronze, the tailor spins. And the captain yarns, sang the trucks, which made Cranky the crane irritated. Sometimes. But one day, Salty was feeling ill. You must go to a diesel work so that Dandendar will make you well again, said Sir Topham Hatt sadly. Aye, aye, sir, replied Salty. Poor Salty, said Rosie. I feel sorry for him. Me too, replied Henry. But I better not be late. I have to go to Dryall to collect the vacationers from the mainland. Then I have to take them to a sunny picnic. Well, that's sweet, replied Rosie happily. Oh, it certainly is, replied Henry. Well, wish me luck. I will, replied Rosie happily. Henry couldn't wait to go to Dryall. He hadn't been there for a long time. And when Henry arrived, it looked very wonderful. There was a helipad and a red and white striped windsock. Then Henry heard a noise from the sky. It was a helicopter. Hello, said Henry. I'm Henry, and I'm a tender engine. Hello, said a helicopter. I'm Harold, and I'm a helicopter. It must be wonderful being able to fly, said Henry. It is, said Harold. I could go anywhere I want. Flying is the most fun in the world. Henry thought Harold was being boastful. I like to travel on tracks, he huffed. I pass through stations and castles and see the most wonderful sights on Sodor. While from the air, I see all those wonderful sights on Sodor all at once, said Harold. Henry felt upset. Then he saw the vacationers waiting at the platform. Henry went to the station to collect them. I never want to talk to that helicopter again, he fumed. Soon Henry was on his way to a sunny picnic. He was happy to be away from Dryall. But Henry had to stop at the red signal. Then Harold flew right over his funnel. It's not fair, he moaned. Helicopters don't have to stop at red signals. Henry puffed past by the windmill. But Henry can still see Harold. He is now flying in the sky. Then Henry saw a cow on the tracks in front of him. Helicopters don't have to stop for cows, Henry said sadly. Henry arrived at the sunny picnic. The blankets were laid out, and everyone was having a wonderful time. Gordon thought Henry looked sad. Helicopters can go wherever they like. I wish I were a helicopter, chuffed Henry. But engines can pull passenger cars and take children to picnics, said Gordon. Engines are really useful. Henry wasn't sure. Harold was on his way to Dry Isle, and dark clouds loomed ahead. Harold knew that the heavy rain might be coming. As Henry arrived at Dry Isle, he saw Harold coming to land. But Henry didn't want to talk to Harold. But Harold had an important message to tell him. Henry, the heavy rain is coming. The children's picnics will be ruined. Bless my bumpers, exclaimed Henry. I must tell them right away. And Henry raced off. Soon Henry arrived at the sunny picnic, just in time. Quick, he shouted. The heavy rain is coming. The picnics will be washed away. The children quickly loaded their picnic baskets just in time and boarded on the coaches. The children were sad that the picnic was over. Then Henry had an idea. He went straight to Dry Isle. This time, Henry wanted to talk to Harold. Please, Harold, can the vacationers have a picnic in your hangar? He asked. Of course, smiled Harold. What a splendid idea. Henry was very happy. Soon all the vacationers were having a wonderful time. And so was Sir Topham Hatt. Well done, Henry and Harold, he said. Together you have saved the picnic. You are both really useful. Harold was happy to have helped. And Henry had never felt prouder to be a steam engine.